Welcome to our tech channel. Today we are excited to bring you the Samsung Galaxy F15, a smartphone that's been turning heads since its release. With its powerful features and sleek design, the Galaxy 15 is a device that promises to elevate your mobile experience. Let's take a closer look at what this phone has to offer. The Samsung Galaxy F15 sports a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth and vivid visual experience. The display's high pixel density provides sharp and clear imagery for all your media consumption needs. Galaxy 15 comes with MediaTek Dimensity 6100 chips built on a 6N processor. These chips, combined with 8 of 4GB 6GB AP of RAM, offers robust performance for gaming and multitasking. The phone comes with 128GB of storage, providing ample space for all your apps, photos and videos on. Photography enthusiasts will be pleased with the triple camera setup on the back, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 5 ultrawide sensor, and a 2 macro sensor. The third main front camera ensures that your selfies are captured with clarity and detail. The Galaxy 15 also boasts a 6000 mAh battery with 20W wide charging, giving you the power to stay connected throughout the day without frequent charging breaks. Available in ash black, ruby violet, and jazzy green, the Galaxy 15 offers a color option to match every style. And with the price of about 11,999 Indian rupees, it's positioned as an affordable yet powerful device in the smartphone market. So if you're looking for a smartphone that combines performance, style, and value, the Samsung Galaxy 15 might just be the perfect choice for you. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tech reviews and news. Stay tech savvy, and we will see you in the next video.